Dre's vlog, or Vlogs by Dre, or one of them, whatever you want to call me. Go ahead, please. But we're gonna do another unboxing of the brand box of our dear people. For Amazon. Amazon, last time we saw a video where they just wasted so much packaging. We're gonna see if they did it again in terms of delivery, because I only ordered this last night and then I got it today. And Amazon Prime, you know what, I wasn't convinced at the beginning. I thought I will try it out and then see what they are saying. So they are saying quite a lot. So let's have a look. Oh wow, it started. Yeah. Long. 15 to 42 inch screen. Always wanted a TV mount, so I'm gonna just see what it's saying, because I will fix it up tomorrow. Hopefully I will be able to film what I've done in regards to mounting it up the wall. On the wall. But anyway, whatever makes sense to you. So if you like, subscribe. If you want to see that video again, please click on the link below. And if you want to see different type of videos, I will let you know what is coming up, and then you can tell me whether you like it or not. But as I always say, it's about positivity, it's about sharing. So I've shared that with you, so here we go. Give you the love. Bye.